Hey everybody, it's NicoJ. Welcome to the start of a new series that I'm going to be doing on YouTube. I will be trading every day and doing short clips that I will be posting. I will be explaining my core strategies as I'm going along, what I'm looking for when I decide to take trades, when I decide to leave trades, which is also important. And yes, my videos will all be pre-recorded. So if you guys have any comments on a video or questions, you can leave it in the comments and I will read those and try to answer everything in the next video. But if you guys want to catch me live, you can do so on a regular basis on Pocket Option's website or official YouTube channel at Pocket Option. I will be doing regular streams there. This will be live, so any questions that you guys ask I'll be able to answer live at the same time or immediately. My next stream date will be this afternoon at 2 o'clock UTC plus 2. So you guys can head on over there and have a look. It's a great platform. I've been with them for a while now, and yeah, I'll show you guys in a second what I mean. Also, I'll leave a link in to their YouTube channel in the description below. And if you like what you see and you don't have a Pocket Option account yet, I'll also leave a link in the description below to that will take you to their website. Just register, try them out on demo. They are it's one of the fastest brokers that I've come across. Okay, so without any further ado, let's look at some charts and see if we can pick up some trades. We've had some movement today. Market's not been too bad. We had a nice bullish divergence trade here. So I'm going to be looking if just going to be bouncing around between charts a bit, between assets to see if we can spot something that's forming. We can get a few trades. I will not be rushing this though. I see a lot of people, I've seen so many people before that feels like if they're not doing anything for 10 minutes, if they don't find a trade, they start forcing trades because they feel like they're supposed to be trading, and you simply can't. You guys will note that I'm on 10 seconds. This is my favorite time frame for 1 minute trades, which we're doing at the moment. We're doing 1 minute trades. And yeah, that's my favorite chart time frame. If I'm doing a 1 minute chart, I'll be looking for 5 minute trades maybe. But yeah, I do need I never trade just one candle. Let's see, or JPY, nothing there. Oh, I like the spike. Got an ADX spike there. We do have some divergence, although it's not closed lower, it's on the support. Let's take a trade there and see if we can maybe get something. I might have rushed that there, but it's fine. This one should push up a bit. If not, we'll look at here. There's the ADX spike now. Okay. Let me just explain why I did this actually. Ouch. Oh, that's gonna hurt. So we had an ADX spike here. The reason I took this trade, we had an ADX spike here, and the ADX itself was fairly low, which meant there's not a lot of momentum behind the move. There we go. And we did have some bullish divergence here. Price closed lower here than the previous trough, but my oscillators were way down. It does look like I'm going to miss out on this one though. That's okay. We win some, we lose some. Most important is just to win more than we lose. Okay, so that was not on. Let's see. Ooh, we have some bearish divergence here. EuroCAD. We have a very strong ADX. That means we're going upwards. There's a lot of momentum behind this upwards push. And we can maybe wait and see if we get some, hidden divergence, or if we can get a very decent ADX spike. But the ADX is climbing too much. It's not going to be a trade now. Not soon. Let's see if we can find something here. Nope. Looks like the markets are flatlining now. We're going to wait for some movement. There's no data that's being released very soon. Let's see what Euro does for us. Also very sharp, very strong upwards movement. ADX is quite high. Let's push back to JPY. It's flat. So I guess we're going to wait a bit. Nope. We do have a little, no, not even faint divergence. It's a decent spike on the ADX though. EMAs are turning. For those wondering, I've got a three moving averages, simple moving averages on my chart. It's a 50, a 100, and a 200. RSI, stochastic, and the ADX. All of these are on default settings, so I don't even bother changing them. You might actually get something here. I would really love if the ADX, the stochastic and the RSI pushes up a bit, but price does not. But I do need it to make a clear high, especially the RSI, because the ADX is, the stochastic is quite high here as well, so chances that it's going to push past is very small. But the RSI might though. Nah, it's gone. We have very strong pushes at the moment on all the Euro pairs. That's actually going to cause us not to get an entry probably. Again, very strong pushes now, and this ADX is climbing. You guys will see as the ADX keeps climbing. I'm not looking for trades at the moment. This means there's a lot of push behind it, and determining a buy entry here is going to be a gamble unless I get very clear bullish hidden bullish divergence here. I will not be taking a trade in the immediate future. Let's see another push here. JPY pushing hard, pushing hard. Looks like we're going to have to wait a while. That's really unfortunate. But we should pick up some divergence in a few minutes. It shouldn't be too long. Or something that levels out. These are going to level out at some point. So everything that's pushing at the moment, the way it does with the ADX climbing, let's go back to Euro USD actually. So it will definitely settle at some point, come back down, and then we can start looking for ADX spikes. At the moment, there's no spot with the ADX itself this high. I will not look for DI spikes, even if the spikes. It's not a trade I will be taking. Let's see what we can get here. So my DIs are coming down now. So the DI is losing momentum, but the ADX is still very high. So that tells me no trade at the moment. The only thing that will currently make me take any trades is very clear divergence. Hidden divergence that tells me the trend is going to be continuing. Oh, I missed this one. We missed this one, yeah, unfortunately. Just as a side note, one of the reasons I actually like this platform is whenever I take my trades, It's a 1 minute trade from where I take it. So there's no fixed expiry. I can take my trade now for 1 minute. So when I see the divergence forming, I can play it and I will be in the trade for a minute. There's no, if I take this now, it might be a 30-second trade or it might be a minute and a half trade. Nope. It's a 1 minute trade whenever I take it. No fixed expiry times. You will see my expiration time keeps moving along as the chart keeps moving along. Let's have a quick look at Euro. Oh, did I close that now? I did close it. Let's just add it again. It's there now. You can see it's still pushing up. So well, putting this in reverse or in continuation at the moment is a bit of a gamble. But the market will tell us when she's ready to give us something. Just need to keep an, oh, there was some nice diff there. Oh man, there was some nice diff. Now this is a trade I would have taken. This is what we're looking for. But I missed this one. That's unfortunate. Nope. We're going to skip that. The payout's a bit low on that one at the moment. Where's Euro? Let's go back to Euro. I don't want to miss something. Okay, so now we're moving. We had a strong continuous push here. And now that it's coming down, we can see my ADX is dropping. So what I'll look for is DI spikes, but I would like these to be around 60, 70 while my ADX remains low. That will give me a trade to put in reverse. So meaning while it's dropping, I'll go the opposite direction. This is not enough though. This drop is not enough. Let's see what this one is doing. Again, same thing. It's coming down, but not enough. If this pushes up now, we're gonna have hidden bullish divergence. Faint and sloppy, but still there. But I do need this to push. Doesn't look like it's gonna. Let's see if we can find something else. Coming down hard now. See, this is the reason I like my ADX, my DI spikes higher. We had a spike there while it was down, small spike though. But look what's happening. It just keeps coming down, and it looks like it's reversing momentum. So if I took a buy there, I would have lost it. It would have been a losing trade again. Let's see if we can find some good examples. Sometimes it makes you wait though. Sometimes it just makes you wait. This I would have taken if my ADX wasn't coming up this high and already be this high. I would have actually considered taking a buy here, right on the 100 and 200 simple moving averages. But the ADX coming up like this is telling me there's a lot of momentum behind this drop, and it's a good chance that it might continue, and it did. We have so many trade entries during the day. If you sit here for a couple of hours, you're going to find a lot of entries, good entries. So there's no reason really to rush the bad ones. Let's just wait for good setups, ones that I know will work. Well, there's a high probability there's nothing that will work. Absolutely nothing in this world. Nope, you are flat. Let's go back to OJPY here. See, now this is hidden bearish. This should give us a trade here. Come on, close. I'm just waiting for it to confirm the formation, because this is still, the stochastic is still open. So it hasn't formed a peak yet. And until it does, I'm going to stay out of it. My ADX is really low, so that means it's showing me there's not too much momentum here. So if this turns down now, we could have a put trade on our hands. Come on. Do I have diff? I do have diff. There we go. Let's get in that. There we go. That's hidden bullish divergence. So basically we have a peak here. Let's see if we can draw it in here. Oh, yeah, there's a trend line. There we go. So if I look at these two peaks here, I can see this peak is clearly lower, but my stochastic made a higher high. Yeah. So that's hidden bullish divergence, and it tells me it should continue in the downwards direction. Let's just see what it does. We do have 17 seconds left, but I'm fairly confident it will push down. There we go. Oh, this is going to be a good trade. Fantastic. Good stuff. Let's see if you can find something else. Euro is looking horrible. Horrible, horrible. Well, Euro USD is looking horrible. Let's see what this looks like as well. This movement is not ideal. Oh, it looks like some bullish divergence forming here. RSI is climbing. And I love when I get divergence right on top of a moving average. I love it. This, I actually think I might have missed this now. No, I don't think I did. Let's see what happens. This should push a bit. While we wait for that timer to run out, let's see if we can maybe find something somewhere else as well. Ooh, this was close to being hidden divergence. Close, 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 but I don't like, it's too close. On the other hand, it might drop. But I don't like it that much, so I'm going to stay out of this one. Although it is technically hidden divergence, but I'm going to stay out of this. Let's see if we can find something else. Whoop, whoop. Are you going red now? Why are you going red, son? There we go. Go back, go back. Let's see. There. Okay, let's go back to this one. A couple of seconds left. Oh, that was a close trade, but it's in. So that was great. It almost looks like it formed some more divergence there, but it didn't. We are 3 trades in and it's been 20 minutes. And we're up. We won 3, we lost 1. Won 2 of them, lost 1 of them. But we're up, which is all that matters. At the end of the day, if we go home green, we are happy. Let's see if we can find one more. I am unfortunately pressed for time today. Because of the stream, I need to do some preparation still. But yeah, like I said, let's put that back there. I can't do it yet. Like I said, I'm going to be doing a live stream in 3 hours on the Pocket Option YouTube channel, at Pocket Option. You guys can catch me there if you want to ask some questions live, if you want to have a look and see. We will be discussing some trading strategies and also doing some live trades. I hope. Depends on how the market what the market looks like. But yes. Let's see what you're doing. Nothing here, but you are being cornered. It's almost like this is being cornered at the moment. Let's look at Euro USD. The old trusty Euro USD. ADX is starting to climb. Let's just see if it does or not. going to take a while. Nope. Nothing here. The stochastic is too low here to give us, and the RSI it won't give us bullish divergence as a continuation signal. Although this probably will push down to here and push up again. That's probably what's going to happen though. But I don't like probably that much. Let's see what this one's doing. Nope, nothing there for us. Nothing there for us. Big push. We can see the ADX climbing. And what I like is that this low here was fairly high on the indicators. The lows were fairly high. So I was going to say if this pushes up, comes down a bit, but now it's coming down. So this will void the idea that I had anyway. Fantastic. Let's see. I don't have any much time left. Guys, I think I'm going to cut this short here. I will be posting longer videos starting tomorrow. We will be hunting trades and looking, like I said, looking at a few strategies, looking at trades. I've got a super nice OTC strategy that I'm going to show you guys. But until then, let's go back to this. Okay, so yes, like I said, guys, you can catch me this afternoon on Pocket Options YouTube channel, where we will be live streaming, doing live trades, and you can ask questions while the stream is open, and I will do my best to answer them. You can again find them here, YouTube at Pocket Option. That's the channel name. And I hope I see you guys there. Until then, have a great day. Trade happy. Be happy. Trade safe. Cheers, guys.